I had the opportunity to take some pictures with Z Fold and Flip, latest and greatest from Samsung. This is a screen recording. So what do we have in the Z Fold? There is no autofocus in the wide-angle lens, unfortunately. In pictures, main lens, of course, we do have autofocus in the main one. That's obvious. And we do have a great zoom, but if we go beyond 20, it's electronic zoom and it's very, very noisy. Tons of noise. Very nice wide angle. Portrait, but you will have to like flip to the front-facing camera. Well, let me take some pictures for you. And we'll check them in a second. Front-facing camera. There you go. Not impressed at all. This is for pictures. Of course, there is no autofocus in front-facing camera and only Full HD. But Full HD 60 if you want to. No autofocus. Let me show you the original samples from the camera because this is a screen recording. And there you go. Well, pretty good. A little bit of macro for you. Testing the autofocus. This video will be weird, but this is a camera test. So front-facing camera, ouch, tons of noise. I took a picture for you, just a comparison to the Vivo. This is a Fold, Samsung and Vivo. Now there's a huge difference. And let's continue to Samsung. And let's continue to the rear camera from Samsung. It's okay, I guess. Let me try the Flip, which I think has a better camera. Let me show it to you. This is a front-facing camera. No autofocus, but it looks a bit better. Screen recording. And on the screen, we don't have autofocus in the wide-angle lens. There is none. But you can record in a 4K 60 if you wanted to. From the main lens, we do have autofocus. And couple of options. This is in Polish, so you won't be able to read it. Or maybe you will. I don't know. Wide angle, portrait. You see, it's much better than in a Fold. Flip has the better camera, at least on the front. Well, and that's the original footage from Flip. You see that autofocus from the main lens is available, from the wide angle is not available. Bitrate is pretty good. In the end, Vivo has way better cameras. That's right. Thanks for watching. See you next video.